Hi girls, and welcome back to a new video. So today I'm doing kind of a light video. It's not a tutorial, but I'm just sharing with you my work in progress, what I'm doing so far and currently of projects, and what I bought, a small shopping haul of yarn, and that's it. Yeah, I just show you what I've done so far and what are my plans for the videos and some other projects coming up. So we'll start first with this pretty yarn. I've been working recently with a lot of cotton yarn, and although it is difficult because it's a very thin yarn, but you know, the result of many projects are very pretty and nice. So I bought this, I found recently, and I started a new project with these and another different color, similar color. These are Alizé Bazaar or Bahar, I'm not sure, and they have very pretty colors, like pastel colors like this. I guess this is beige or caramel and salmon orange, and I've got this one, very pretty gray. I love it so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm sure I'll find some projects. And the best of all, from the same collection, this mixed blue and brownish color. I'm thinking whether I can do maybe a granny square or something circular, so the colors look pretty and you know, they show more. Let's see which project I'm gonna do with this. So these are available in, I think it's House of Fashion it's called. If you're living in Doha, Qatar, then you will find it there, and they have very nice selection. For now I keep buying from there because shipping and ordering from outside is a bit different nowadays, and we all know what's happening. I hope anyway you're all doing well. So that's it for the yarn. I didn't buy much. Okay, so this is my current project. I've posted this stitch earlier in the week about the front post and back post stitch, and I'm using, like I said, these colors plus this one to make a baby blanket. So the baby blanket I'm making, it's 70 centimeters wide and 90 centimeters long, and I'm doing block of colors with a pop of a different color in between. So this might take me long because again I'm using cotton, and you see the yarn is very thin. It's taking time, but the stitch is very pretty. If you want to do an easy project with this, you might want to use a bulky yarn and like a big crochet hook, so the work is faster and easier, but the look of it is very nice and unique, and I love how it is. So I'll show you once I'm done with this project. I'll show you the final result. Now I'm posting maybe this week, maybe next week, this baby blanket as well, using granny square. So this is one of the easiest pattern you can use if you want to do a baby blanket. It's quick, it's feasible in one day, and it's very pretty, especially if you use a yarn which has many colors like this. It's similar to this one, but this is Red Heart Soft Essential. Sorry, I'm out of breath. This one is like a bulky yarn. It's thicker than the soft Red Heart Soft, and it's very nice. They have very nice colors. If you are living in US and Canada, then you'll find it in Michael's, or you can order it and they'll ship it to your home. So I have used, I think, 7.5 millimeter hook for this one, and I'm done with 16 rows so far, and I have to do 15 or 14 more rows to achieve the complete baby blanket. Also, I will show you the final result once I'm done. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see the picture of my latest projects. And this is the last one. I think if you're watching my stories, you would have seen this block of C2C crochet squares, and I love how easy it is. Trust me, it is not complicated at all. That's what I thought until I learned how to do it. And also I'm posting 2 videos about how to attach these squares together. So just stay tuned for it and follow it. It's very easy and it's so quick. I didn't expect it, but making the squares inside, they're very quick and easy. I think also this one you can make it in one day, but because I have few projects in the same time, so it's taking me longer. But I'm sure if I focus on this, I would have finished it in one day. So in the video I'll show you how to attach this square to this square and how to attach one square in between 2 squares, because it's different and one is easier than the other. Trust me about that. And that's it. Those are my current projects for now, and once I'm done with one, I'll be starting another one, because I can't live without crochet. Now that I have more time, I'm happy that I can crochet, but I don't know, I'm also bored sometimes. Let me know how you're spending your time. How is everything going for you? Do you crochet more or less than before? And what are your current projects? Share it with me in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.